Hey everyone, it's Candace, and today, as you can see, I am reviewing the Drip 2 from the Ivy Park and Adidas collection. We're gonna have a lot of fun today, so be sure to hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and let's do this. Hey everyone, my name is Candace. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and remember that this is a troll-free zone. So that means if you don't find this video helpful or you just don't like it or me for some reason, it's totally cool. Just exit out the browser that you entered. For all of my returning subscribers, thank you for being here. I have a completely new type of video for you today. It's a little bit of, I wouldn't say like a try on haul because I didn't like buy like a ton of things, but I bought a outfit of Ivy Park, which basically made me broke, and I'm going to share it with you guys today. Huge box that came in the mail. It's probably like almost as big as me. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's not a true unboxing because I already opened it because I couldn't wait. It actually came a few days ago, but I just got a chance to film this. But I'm going to take the items out and show them to you guys, and I'm going to try them on and give you my personal review. So way back when Ivy Park first launched in collaboration with Topshop, I actually was able to buy a couple of items, I think through Nordstrom. So I have the mesh tank that I actually exercise in a lot, especially during the summers, and I got an Ivy Park headband. I still use those all the time. So I kind of like to think of myself as like an OG Ivy Park fan, even though those were like the only two items I was able to get. When it initially launched with Adidas at the beginning of this year, I like never even got into the website, so needless to say, I did not get anything. So I was super excited when I got like the early code to get in for Drip 2, and so I was like panicking and hyperventilating for like an hour trying to figure out what I wanted to put in my cart and what I was like willing to spend. They're all in the yellow. It almost looks like a lime green, but it's more like yellow. I think the color is canary. So I have the knit crop top, which is here. Okay, so this is like mesh. It's not a see-through mesh, but like I can see the outline of my hand through it. It might be hard to tell on camera, but I can see. So it's mesh front and back. The sleeves are not mesh, but they do have the signature 3 Adidas stripes here. And then it says Ivy Park at the bottom on the back. I have the tights, like just the leggings. No hidden pockets, no fuss here, just really nice quality. And we have the Ivy Park logo on the back. And then I have the shorts. Absolutely love these cargo shorts, like they look super comfortable. So these are the shorts, cargo shorts. Alrighty, so we've got hidden zippered pockets here that are very deep, and then we have these snap open and closed cargo pockets. And we have them on both sides, and then a drawstring in the middle. Nothing on the inside. I also have the belt bag. So when it comes to the belt bag, you've got 2 bags. They are connected here, and then they have this other strap that you can clip on or off. I still haven't totally figured out how to wear it, but we will test it out. On this bag, it clearly says Ivy Park. You're gonna open up and you have a really nice solid compartment. I'm gonna open this up. Nice size that expands pretty wide. You have a clear mesh panel on this side, and then you have another zippered compartment on this side, and then the logo. This bag is straight just the 3 stripes on the front. Open the zipper. You have one nice adjustable size compartment here, and then just a little compartment here on the side. You know, I had to get a pair of shoes, the nite joggers. As you can see, this says a size 8. I typically wear a size 9 in women's shoes. It can be larger or smaller, obviously, depending on the shoe. But in general, just a regular, like, trainer, sneaker, whatever you would call it. I typically wear a 9. So based on the size chart in the app, that came out to like an 8 in the men's or in this unisex size. So I really love the packaging. This is a really pretty colored box. It's definitely the kind of shoe box that you want to keep. I definitely just kind of stick my thumb in, pull it out, and you have this really nice knit bag. Pull this out, close it back up. That says Adidas and Ivy Park on it. And then open it up. The shoes are in here. I've already taken one out, but both of them were individually wrapped in tissue paper. And this is the shoe. It smells really good too. It smells like when you buy like a brand new toy, like it's almost hard to express like what it smells like. It's got this nice leather upper, and the laces are just adjustable instead of actually tying them. I'm really, really looking forward to that. So I'm gonna take the other one out so that you can see both of them together. And then it comes with a nice, really heavy-duty Ivy Park carabiner. I think I'm saying that right. That you can use to like clip it onto a bag or to your belt or something. So really nice shoes that we will try on shortly. So I'm going to pop these tags. A little ode to Macklemore there. Actually, I don't even have to cut them. There's just like a little knot. So we're just going to take all these tags off. Just be here, and like you could carry it that way, or you could carry it crossbody and just have like the single strap. But I want to see how the belt functions, so I'm going to remove this, and then so you see this clip here, we're going to undo this. And then I'm going to slide the smaller one off. So he's by himself. I'm just going to keep this one since it has the outer pocket. I know this is not going to go around my waist. I don't think. No, it's not. Let's see. One moment. Oh, okay, so you just adjust it by like moving this around. I already did it, so it's kind of hard, but like basically this is how you adjust it. So I took the bag completely off and I can adjust it around. So you just keep playing around with the slack until you see what's comfortable for you. So this is comfortable for me to go around without like cutting me up or falling over. So since this is good, I can take this. Go back inside of here. And then this here, this is so clutch. Like this would be perfect for like, music festivals or like whatever, just going out, state fairs, like whatever, because you can just like grab it. You can put change in here, your ID, keys, like all types of stuff. And like I said, like it's big, like you can fit a lot of things in here. I'm really hands-free. Like I'm one of those people who I rarely carry purses unless I have a lot with me. Like I love going to the store and just being like, phone, keys, wallet, go. So I can definitely see myself like using this a lot. Yeah. And obviously, you know, you can put the other bag on here if you want. And you can clip that in there and have like two. It's whatever you want. So, okay, let's get into like the fit and the feel of each item. But the shoes are really comfortable. Like, I'm not going to use them like for exercise. These are going to be more athleisure shoes, but I do really like them. They feel comfortable. The leggings, very, very comfortable. They have a lot of stretch to them. These shorts, oh my god. Like, the pockets are roomy. I love having a lot of pockets. I love the fact that I can like reach in and like have a bunch of stuff in here. They are very thick and that's nice. This is really nice construction. It's super cute. I think I bought the wrong size. So again, everything in the Ivy Park collection is gender neutral, so you really have to check your sizing charts because it's not strictly men's or women's sizes. So I checked all of that beforehand. Somebody's calling me. I checked all of that beforehand. So I ended up getting smaller sizes than I'm used to buying. So like the shorts and the leggings are a small, and I definitely would typically have like a medium, possibly a large in bottoms, depending on what's happening, but I got a small in the leggings and the shorts, which is perfect. I typically wear kind of smaller sizes in tops. I typically get a small in women's because like, I don't know, I'm a little more small chested, but I don't know, let me look at the chart. Okay, I see. I bought the small in here and I'm topping it out because it says it goes up to 35 in the bust. But then the medium started at a 36. I don't know. That's just me. It fits well, like it looks fine. I can move around in it. I just feel, and maybe it's the bra that I have on underneath it, I just feel a little constricted. I would like to just have a little more space in here. So just for comfort's sake, I think I would have benefited from a medium, but who knows? I just also want to make a point to say we all know the prices of Ivy Park, and obviously it's Adidas, obviously it's Beyonce. There's a bit of a markup just in terms of like branding and everything, but something that you cannot take away from is quality. Like, obviously I have clothes that I've gotten where I consider really good quality for a small price, and where like I didn't pay an arm and a leg for it, but I know that like it works. But in general, I have to say that the thickness and the quality of these clothes, like they are not going to literally have to tear these clothes apart, you know what I mean, to like wear them in and everything. So something that I would just keep in mind is even if you feel like you're making a little bit of an investment on something, please know that you are going to have these clothes for a super long time. And like I said, that is regardless of how you wear them. Obviously most of us are wearing them as stylish and athleisure wear. But I've seen some people who are using the clothes as I did with the, you know, way back OG first generation, who actually uses them for like workout gear. And again, like I can tell you right now, my headband, my mesh top from like the old set, is just as sturdy, just as like clean and new as it was like in the beginning, and I use those all the time. So just keep in mind that even if you feel like, ooh, you know, this is a little bit, it is superior construction quality materials, and most of the time, like, let's just be honest, we don't have clothes that are made of that good quality. So it's okay to, you know, treat yourself, or if you just need something to let you know that it's okay to spend what you're about to spend on Ivy Park. Apparently there's supposed to be another drop like on the 19th of this month, I believe. It's supposed to be like an all black collection, which I think is like similar items, they're just black. So obviously I know that like this drop is obviously sold out. You may be able to find some on secondhand sites, but I thought I would still do this because for anybody who has yet to get any Ivy Park from the Adidas collection, you're just wondering like, what is it like? Is it worth it? Is it good? I want to let you know that yes, it is all of those things. So whether you get a pair of socks or you like go full on Ivy Park haul, you know, this is my endorsement to you, if it means anything, that this is definitely a brand that's worth getting, for multiple reasons. Well, I wish you the best of luck on the next drops, that you get a spot in line and that you are able to grab some items. Also, just FYI, it took me literally 15 minutes to check out. Like, I had everything like in my wish list that I wanted, and then like right at 12 when it was like, okay, you can check out now, I grabbed everything, I put it in there, I already had my payment info saved, I was like, check out. And then I was spinning in processing mode for 15 minutes, literally. I was like this close to just saying it's a goner. I bet like nothing happened. I was making sure that I was keeping my my phone open so it didn't like lock on me or anything. And then literally at 12:16, I actually got a notification on my phone from Adidas first that said you placed your purchase. Then the app changed, and then I got a text from my bank that was like, hey, was this you? So yeah, just to let you know, it can be really, really difficult sometimes. And this was like 5 items, I think, or 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this was 5 items. It took me 15 minutes. I don't know if the amount of items has anything to do with it. But just for future reference, you know, if you're sitting there behind that paywall and you think that it's over, stick it out. Do not exit out. Do not leave until you get a confirmation, or, you know, either way, yes or no. Just don't exit out. That is my main tip to you. So yeah, I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day. Thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to leave me a like and a comment, and I will send you a heart back.